Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sahel, your host, and I would like to thank 12 people who have supported me and subscribed to my channel and watching my videos. Thank you so much guys, keep up the subs. Today we are going to show you, I'm going to show you the Ludovika Park located in Budapest, and I'm very excited to get into this video, so let's go.
Alright, we are at Ludovika. If you go to the right, you will have this fat dude. He kinda looks like he came right out of Dune. If you keep going, you'll get to this building. And to the right of this building, you have the entrance to the big park. Very beautiful day, beautiful weather. Slowly getting warm, going towards summer. And if you look to the left, we have this monument. Looks pretty cool.
All right, I'm standing in the center of the park. We have the Semmelweis building there. We have these statues there. We're gonna get to it in a moment. But before, I want to check out the other side of the park. I want to see what's this about. And I'm going to show you guys something cool that I have seen it only in this park. We are approaching it. Oh no, what? Damn. It's under construction, unfortunately, but here, before, there used to be horses living and running around here. Oh, no, there is a horse, actually, 2 horses. Ooh, yes. Totally worth it to walk all the way this way to the end of the park to show you guys. Oh, it's a horsey, it's looking at us. Hey guys, what I'm noticing, there's way more horses than I anticipated. Taking a stroll, and there are some in the shade. There's this horse who's chilling outside. I don't know if he's on a punishment or he has been really good. Hello. You're so beautiful. What is your name? Oh? Very nice. Good horsey. Bye bye. Nice day, amazing weather. So blessed to be alive at this moment. Feels very good. Hey, I'm just kidding. Nobody's back there. If you're a kid, you're gonna love this park too. They got Tarzan stuff here. Guys, you won't believe the view I have here.
It feels magical to walk through this area. Super green, very nice, filled with trees. Many things to actually see.
Guys, I found ducks. We got some ducks too in here. We got the climbing stuff there. It comes even till here. Then you have this beautiful view with the lake and a fountain. What else do you need? He's doing, but he's chilling. happily introduce Butler Janos to you guys. The best butler in the world. They had to make a statue of him. And right after Butler Janos, guys, you will get to see the Semmelweis building. I'm on top of a hill, guys. This park even has a small hill for you to climb on. Right next to the fountain. And for the bros who want to get smashed by the riverside or a lakeside, that was a bar, by the way. And you have the dude with the lion. We have this beautiful modern architecture. This is Najvarater. We have this amazing historical building, or at least I hope.
But let's get back to the park.
This also has a water fountain which is drinkable. So if you're thirsty, you got free water for life here. Let's see if it works. Oh, it does work. Nice. Very cold water. Amazing. Guys, to be honest, this park is parking for me. We got the fountain, we got the bar back there, we got so much green, we got statues. We got the mighty one up there, as you can see. I'm loving this place. Then we have the big statues. Massive statues. Saint Christoph in the house. What's wrong with that baby? Is it giving blessings? We got Saint Borballa. I don't know, I hope I pronounced that right. But damn, she looking sassy. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I would like to thank you for watching my video, especially the ones who didn't click away. Thank you so much, guys. I would also like to thank my 12 subscribers. It means a lot to me for you guys to support me. I hope you like this video today about Ludovika. If you do, drop a like. If you have a question or if I should do something else about my content, drop a comment below. Let me know what I should do next. See you guys.